What's up, mi gente? Today we're back in the kitchen and we are going to be cooking these whole wings inside of our CruXGG 10-in-1 mini oven. But first, let's get to seasoning. We're gonna be using some garlic salt along with some Stubbs barbecue rub. Now, I went really heavy on this rub because it's absolutely amazing and very flavorful. I was not kidding. I went real heavy on it, and now it's time to pop these inside of this 10-in-1 oven and let's see what it can do. We are going to be setting it at 400 degrees for 30 minutes, and don't forget to hit that turbo button. It's that small button in the very middle. It makes it just turn up the heat in there and start to air fry. And now that our 30 minutes are up, let's check on these wings. Okay, they are not looking quite ready. So we are going to be turning these babies over and putting them in the oven for another 30 minutes at the same temperature to see what this little oven could do, because I've heard really good reviews. So let's see for ourselves. And now let's take a look at these wings. Now they're looking nice, crispy, and cooked through, just like we like them here at home. Now it's time to add on our barbecue sauce. Now, my favorite barbecue sauce is some brown sugar barbecue sauce. So I went real heavy all over these wings, coating them up. We absolutely loved using this oven today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.